Good morning, Dr. Liz here, Doctor of Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine, where life becomes better living. Today's topic, the hiccup, on TCM Tidbits, coming to you live. Now, the hiccup is caused by what we call, according to traditional Chinese medical theory, the stomach energy or qi going the wrong way. And by doing so, it actually, we call it like a rebellious qi. It's supposed to be going down, and guess what? It's not. It's going up. So when this happens, that's what the hiccup is. So the etiology and pathogenesis of the hiccup, just to be a little more specific, is as follows. So it involves two major organs and one tissue. So the organs include the stomach and the lung, as well as the diaphragm. What causes this dysfunction? Improper diet, emotional stress, and or a chronic elongated disease can create a syndrome, which would be sort of chronic hiccups. Good news, acupuncture can treat it very effectively. How so? We use little pins, typically on the Ren pathway, as well as the pericardian pathway, as well as the stomach organ system. So giddy up to your acupuncturist and get those hiccups taken care of. Thanks so much for checking in. Dr. Liz, Doctor of Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine. TCM Tidbits, where life becomes better living. And if you enjoy these wellness tips, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel to keep these wellness tips coming your way. Jusque demain.